Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Brittany, aka Beautifoles. I wanted to start off November with 7 days of gifts that you can get at Sephora. I was lucky enough to be on the receiving end of all of these gifts, so thank you, Sephora, so much. This is absolutely unbelievable. I have created a little gift guide, so each day is going to be a different category. I will announce them as the days go on, so be sure to tune back every day just in case one of the categories interests you a little bit more. And then after this week, I am going to be utilizing a lot of these products in videos, in tutorials, in reviews, just so that you really know what you want, what you don't want from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and just holiday deals in general. All right, now we are at day 2 of my Sephora holiday gift guides. What do you think is coming up next? Can you guys tell by the products around me what today's category is? 3, 2, 1. If you know, real quick, challenge, go. Comment below, comment below, comment below. Let me know if you can tell, even before you looked at the title, what today's category is. So if you guessed that today's category was for the multi-masker in your life, haha, I love a good pun. You were right. This is all different types of masks, from hair masks, lip masks, face masks. I don't know why hair was the first one I said, because skincare is like the first thing that would usually pop up into my head, but whatever, neither here nor there. So let's get right into some of the best masks on the market. Are people still saying that? No, they like stopped in 1940, but it's fine. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so what we have here is the Sephora experimental mask set, and it comes with 4 different sheet masks. You have a charcoal, a mud, a bubble, and a primer mask. This is just super great for anyone who likes those quick little spa days or nights in where you're like, okay, let's just face mask and tea. Let's make it a thing, huh? So this is pretty self-explanatory. It is a great little gift if you are just looking for something extra, or if you know someone who really likes some sheet masks and just relaxing. Then I have these really cute Sephora hand and foot masks, because let's face it, I mean, who doesn't like a nice soft hand touch? And then, like, unless we're going and getting pedicures regularly, or unless you're like me and literally cannot sit through a pedicure because you laugh so hard, these are super great for nice soft feet and soft hands, and they are super affordable. Great little stocking stuffer as well. Now, I bet you wouldn't think that the Sephora best of hair favorites would be in my masks, but let's face it, your hair needs some love too, and although this does have like a wave spray in it, it does have a lot of hair balms and just things that are going to nourish your hair and just do to your hair what a regular mask would do to your face, and just clarify and moisturize and things like that. So this is the Sephora best of hair favorites. And now we have 2 packages from Laneige. One is the Kiss and Makeup set, and then the other one is the Sleep and Glow set. So both are masks. One is more for your lips, and it has a full size and then 3 minis, and then this one is the sleeping mask. So it comes with the skin mask, the lip mask, and the moisturizer. So these are both super great options, and they're both under $50, so how can you go wrong? Okay, so this is the Glam Glow set. This is actually the way that I first started trying and using Glam Glow products a couple years ago. My family bought me a Glam Glow mask set, and it was downhill ever since then, because now I've been obsessed with more expensive skincare. But it is a great way to try multiple different masks, and you're gonna get the Super Mud and then 2 of the Gravity Muds. One's pink, one's purple, and it's just a super fun gift and a good way to start to try more higher end skincare. Now we have this super adorable little tote from Glow Recipe. I have this pink watermelon juice moisturizer. It smells so delicious, I can't even explain. But you also get your sheet masks and your sleeping masks. And I love the sleeping masks because you essentially just put them on and you sleep and you wake up and your skin is so much better than the night before. This is another great one, and it retails at only $40. I, of course, will list every price of everything down below if you guys are interested, in case I missed it for a different product. This mask is so cool. I love putting these in the refrigerator and just putting them on my face. Sorry, I have to. Like, are we kidding? Ugh. Yes. Enough of that. But these are super great to keep in the refrigerator, and they just kind of depuff your whole eye area, and they're very relaxing, and not to mention you're gonna look super cute, just as cute as I just looked. Now this is the Briogeo. Briogeo. Oh, I think it's Briogeo, duh. If I'm wrong, let me know, because I'm embarrassed right now. But this comes with your deep conditioning hair masks and other hair and scalp treatments, so I would definitely recommend this. Plus, it's super cute and it's horoscopes, and I love astrology. And it has a little horoscope up here for you to read that goes along with your sign. So super cute packaging, super cute idea, and I love this. I haven't tried this yet, but I will definitely keep you guys posted on my Instagram and Snapchat. So if you don't follow me, quick, 3, 2, 1, follow me there. I will post it right here so that you guys know exactly where to follow me. Did you do it? So the last product is this Peter Thomas Roth Mask Frenzy set. I have never tried, I'm embarrassed to say this actually, but I've never tried any of these Peter Thomas Roth masks, but I've heard so many amazing things, and this year I actually told myself that I was going to wait until the holiday pack came out, and voila, it's here. So I cannot wait to try these. I will keep you guys posted on which one I like, which ones are my favorite, what my skin felt like after each one. So be sure to stay tuned because I think I might be most excited about one of these, or all of these. This in general. So that was it for today's video. Tomorrow I will have a new one up. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will see you tomorrow, and be sure to subscribe and follow me on all of my other social before you get out of here. I will list that next, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.